Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's revision class of English, where we are going to revise the important question answers of the poem No Men Are Foreign. So, let's start with question 1. What does the poet mean when he says, "Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign"? The poet is making an impassionate plea telling readers to give up extreme rationalism, nationalism, and perceived differences between people belonging to different nations. We are brothers because we inhabit the same planet, drink the same water, and breathe the same air. But we feel different and behave like enemies at times. The poet wants us to give up our misplaced patriotism and live in universal brotherhood. Question number 2. How does the poet prove that there are no foreign countries? Everyone shares the same sun, earth, and air. They have the same body structure and its functioning elements. So there should be no biased attitude towards anyone. Question number 3. What is meant by uniforms? What is there beneath all uniforms? The word uniform refers to the distinctive clothing worn by members of the same organization or body or by children attending certain schools. In this poem, the poet uses uniforms to mean both the uniforms worn by soldiers and the very traditional dresses belonging to different cultures and civilizations of the world, or the different clothes that symbolize who the wearers are. Beneath all uniforms lies the same human body. Bring out the irony in the use of the word uniform. Uniform implies a dress, costume, or identification code that is similar to a group or organization. Uniforms are necessary, especially during war, in order to differentiate between and identify soldiers on different sides who would otherwise appear to be same. But uniforms give rise to differences because every nation has a uniform. The world remains divided rather than united. How are all the people of the world brothers? All human beings are similar in structure, as we are all flesh and blood. We walk on the same land as long as we are alive and will be buried in the same earth when we die. We also use the same sun, air, and water. How can we be one people though we belong to different nations? Even if we belong to different nations, we can be one people because we all have the same body and we live and die on the same planet. All of us enjoy the same sun, air, and water. Question number 7. What are peaceful harvests? What do the peaceful harvests symbolize? Peaceful harvests are the bountiful crops grown during times of peace. They are said to be peaceful because they can be nurtured only during times of peace. They symbolize happiness and prosperity. What does the poet mean when he says, "By war's long winter starved"? If a war is raging in a country, then the country faces the threat of starvation. Since all agriculture production comes to a halt, just as there are no crops in winter, war renders a land barren. That is why there is a shortage of food in winters and in times of war. 2. There is deprivation and famine. People starve to death. Thus, starvation is associated with war, with winter. What do you understand by their hands are ours? What are their lines? How can we conclude that their labor is same as ours? Their hands are ours means that people living in other countries have hands just like ours, which toil hard to earn a living. Their lines mean the lines on their face and body, which are just like ours. Since we can conclude that though they belong to another land, they have worked hard throughout their lives just like us. Question number 10. The poet says that men from other countries have the same basic requirements as us. Elaborate. The poet says that men from other countries have the same requirements as his own countrymen by saying that they enjoy the same sunlight, breathe the same air, and drink the same water. Not only this, they also work hard to earn a living. They too eat when their harvest is plentiful during times of peace and starve during war. I hope, dear children, you all have followed these question answers. Thank